It's Storytime Sunshine. Books read out loud. What Sound is Morning by Grant Snider. In the first morning light, all is quiet. Or is it? Listen. What sound is morning? Lights click on. A cat softly creeps. A baby babbles. Say it louder. Wind whispers in leaves. Sprinklers hiss on summer lawns. A rooster crows to greet the dawn. Can go cock-a-doodle-doo. Yeah, cock-a-doodle-doo. The silent sun rises. The world wakes up. A man shouts after a zooming off bus. There he is. He's going, "Wait for me! Stop!" But the bus is not going to stop. It's on a schedule. He was too late and he has to wait. Cars and trucks grumble on their way to the city. Beep, beep. Honk, honk. Stomachs rumble as they pass the bakery. It smells good. An old dog yawns, awake from a dream. Frogs croak and splash in a murmuring stream. Ribbit, ribbit, ribbit. A shower trickles. Shh. A mirror squeaks. A garbage truck clanks down a quiet street. Yeah, garbage is being dumped. Breakfast sizzles. Hopeful paws tap the floor. In an open field, balloons rise and roar. Today is a melody still to be written. Today is a tune no one's heard before. Look at all the sounds. So greet the new day with a stretch and a yawn. Throw open the window and fill the world with your song. What sounds do you hear in the morning? Find the source and try mimicking the sounds like I did throughout this read aloud. I'm Carmabela Sunshine, and I hope you enjoyed this book as much as we did. Please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and share with family you think will enjoy it too. Thanks for reading that with me.
Again?
You want to read that again?
Hmm.
Okay.